if you're wondering why these things are happening, I'm going to explain you why. This is what happens when you don't create a system or design the network, you know, for future upgrades. So if you think in today's necessities but not in the future, you're going to have these problems and you have this mess because nobody thought about that. Maybe they started maybe with 1 or 5 computers or something like that. Now they have maybe 50 computers or even more, and they have the phones and everything, and then you have a PBX here, you have the UPS over there, you have the cable modem. They have me just to connect this new cable. I mean, it's a router with a modem, LTE modem inside, so built in. So they were going to replace the DSL. So I don't have any place here, you don't have any rack, you don't have anything so to install things. Yes, I could leave it over there, but they don't provide even the cables, or the cables that they provide in this case was Cat 6, sorry, and they left the cable modem here and everything is here, so there is no way you can organize everything. Also, I'm not getting paid to organize, just to connect that modem, the LTE modem with the cable modem, and remove the old stuff. So the problem when you don't think about these things, you're going as soon as the company start growing, you start having this mess, and then it comes a technician like me, and then, you know, I install this, and then comes another technician for the alarms or whatever, and they install that. And then comes someone else to install a cable modem, as you can see, and then they leave it there, and then you don't have a rack. If you could have, you know, like 42 units rack, these things will not happen. But this is how things are in most companies. They don't think in the future. And here I have my laptop, as you can see, and I've been working, you know, keeping my laptop in my hand. Meanwhile, I was setting up, doing some speed tests and everything. So if you have a rack here, you can have the computer inside of the rack with a small table inside, or a small computer in the same rack. You can have a laptop already plugged in, so the way you can test things and you don't have this type of issues. So this is what you can find when you work on things like that, and then that is why you have these big problems.